What's going on, guys? Back at it with a video. I'm gonna give you an update because you don't really see these videos out on YouTube or the internet. But I'm installing Evo 8.9 Brembos on my mazdaspeed 6. Sorry for the mess you see here. I have to clean all this shit out. Okay, so you have to drill. You have to get a Dremel like this with a file. I got this off of what is it called? Home Depot. I think it was like $50 for this. Yeah, it's pretty good. It worked. So you have to Dremel out this guy right here, just enough to get the bolt through right here. My calipers were powder coated orange. I have to get this. Well, I think I'm just gonna spray paint it. Fuck it. I'm just done with it, man. I have the piping there. So basically, this is Evo 8 Brembos here. These are Evo 8s. Here's the rotor. Damn, this guy's a big boy, yo. It's really big rotor. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish installing all this stuff and update you guys when it's done. All right, guys. So this is the finished product. Drilled. I did all this shit. I don't know if the pins actually have to go fully. I think the pins do. I think those pins gotta go fully through. But anyway, you get what I'm trying to say, right? Here they are. Install the whatchamacallit, tighten that shit up, and this side should be done to throw a wheel on it. And what else? Yeah, basically that's it. Alright, guys, this is the finished product of those Brembos I installed. Yeah, hopefully everything was done right. I mean, to my knowledge and you know, to what I know, it's done. Everything's done right. So it has the steel braided line. Oh shit! I forgot. I gotta take it off. Take the tire off again. Shit. Forgot when they powder coat it, they don't tighten these damn things. So I'm gonna have to fucking. Oh my god, man. Shit. That's not gonna be fun at all. Well, let me go ahead. Pick up this video tomorrow. Tomorrow night when I get off work, and then Sunday. So I'll go ahead and cause it's like late. And I got an appointment right now with my with a tax representative, so I can file my taxes and get more go fast parts for this shit. But all right, guys, valve cover is gonna get installed, the orange one. Then alright, so everything was done right to my knowledge. This is it right here. I just gotta come back, pick up some shit tomorrow, clean up the garage, hopefully turn it on because I gotta get another battery. I charge that battery. Clear everything out. Oh shit, I still need to remove this this crash bar here so I can go ahead and cut it so I can install that Mishimoto. Yeah, this video is gonna be pretty long because I still have to. I forgot I have some hoses there. You know what? Since I'm doing everything like try to do it fast as possible when I get out of work, I'm just gonna go ahead, take my time, because my dad was like, you know what, take your time, because if you install something, fuck it up, then you know that's on you. So let me go ahead, install everything right, do it right the first time, and yeah, because I still gotta install the lines for the wastegate. I gotta install a vacuum hose for the boost source What else? That's tight. That shit's tight there. Oh, the oil pressure, the oil pressure gauge, the factory one, the factory oil pressure signal. I have to go ahead and probably go to the junkyard, cut one from like another car, and kind of makeshift it there. And what else? I gotta tighten some. What else I gotta tighten? I'm gonna have to run over everything here before I go ahead and turn this fucker on. So I did want to turn it on so I can go. Oh man.